Forgotten username recovery failed on Digit fix. You try to recover your username on Digit, but nothing seems to work. The recovery link fails or the system says your account can't be found. It's frustrating, especially when you're trying to get back to your automated savings. But here's the catch: Digit has been rebranded as Operaton, and that's why your recovery attempt might be failing. When Digit transitioned to Operaton, the login system changed and some users were confused by the new setup. But don't worry, your data and funds are safe. You just need to log in through the correct platform. Here's what to do. Go to Operaton's website or download the Operaton app, then tap sign in. Use the same email address and password you used with Digit. That's now your new login. If the system still doesn't recognize your email, it may be because your account migration wasn't completed. In that case, contact Operaton's customer support. Provide your full name, the email you used with Digit, and any bank account linked for savings. How locate your account and help restore access. You can also check your email inbox for old Digit messages. The address that received them is the one tied to your account. Most people assume their account disappeared, but the surprising truth is it just moved. Operaton absorbed all Digit data, so your money, goals and savings transfers are still secure. You only need to update your login route. So if your username recovery on Digit keeps failing, the fix is simple: switch to Operaton, use your Digit email, and if needed, reach out for manual verification. Within minutes, you'll be back to growing your savings automatically just under a new name.